Hi, welcome to Tech Talks. So the most crucial part of development is its user interface. So in today's video, I'm going to explain some design tips, how to design a logo for the app, and how we can design the backgrounds for different screens of an application. So let's get started.
First, I will show one sample screen that we will design. Let's say I'm just opening this one. It is a splash screen of an application. So splash screen mainly means it will be having either a background color or a background image with a color overlay, and in that we will be putting a logo for the app that will be having either the icon or the app name or both. So first we are going to learn how we can actually design this logo, and then we will learn how to design this complete screen. So for designing the logo, I mostly use free logo design site. So it is editor.freelogodesign.org. So I have actually served it through. So over here we have different templates based on the categories. So I'm just clicking on a particular one. So after we click on it, it will be showing an editor page like this along with that logo and the name. So if we want to change that company name, let's say the app name, we can able to change it over here. So let's say for example, I am going to change it to sample app. So it will be over here, it will be reflected. So for changing the color of this text, we have an option here. Once we click on it, it will be showing a color palette. So if you would like to change the color, we can able to change it like this, or else some other color we can able to change it like this. And then also if you want to change the text style, we can able to come over here. There we have so many font styles, so inside we can able to choose the one which we like this. And we can able to change the icon style as well. Let's say the color of it, we can change it over here. Same way it will be showing the color palette. And if you would like to change the color, we can able to change it like this. So after doing all over the changes, there is an option download. So we have to click on it, and it will be showing the logo has been saved, and it will be showing another page like this. If you would like to edit the logo again, you have to click on edit logo, or else you have to click on this free download. So once we open it, it will be asking for our name as well as the mail ID of us, and we will click on download my logo. And if you don't have an account, it will be asking for it like this, or else if you already have an account, you can log in with that. So I'm just login with my ID, and it's been done. So it will be directly downloading the file at bottom. If it is not downloaded, you can again click on this download option, and it will be downloading over here. So this is how we will be creating the logo for the app. Now let's see how we can create the design for it. For that, I'm using a site known as canva.com. It is actually a wonderful website that I have actually ever used. So there are so many options over here. We can able to create screens based on the posters, cards, and everything. So over here we can see different options. So for designing the apps, I'm mostly using this poster option. So I'm just clicking on it. So it will be showing a screen like this over here. We have number of options here. This background for putting any background image or any background color. The background color is come up with so many like solid colors and gradient colors. And this text is for different text options and text styles for putting the text over here. And this photos for putting different photos that we can able to put it over here. Then this upload option, like whenever we want to upload any particular thing from our system, we can able to use upload media. Then this elements, it is actually used for putting different shapes and all. So there are some number of collections over here. So first I will show you how to design this particular screen. So first we need to put a background image or a background gradient. So in elements I'm just checking for gradient, and it will be showing so many gradients over here. I'm just using this one and I'm going to making it as full screen. And if you want to decrease the transparency of it, over here we can able to click on it, and then we can able to decrease. We can able to adjust the transparency of it like this. And if you want to put the logo, or either we can able to check it from the elements, or else if it is in our system, we can simply click on uploads, then we have to click on upload media, then we have to select the option device if it is in device, or else the other option. So I'm just going to downloads. So the downloaded logo is over here. I'm clicking on open, so that uploaded one will be showing here. So I'm just selected that, and I'm going to increase the size of it. So this is how we will be designing a simple splash screen over here, just with a background color as well as with the logo. So now I will show you the next one, how we can put a background image with a color overlay and how we can put the logo. So for putting the background image, either you can check it with background, or else you can go to upload and then you can upload the image which you have did it from Google. So I'm just coming to the background and I'm just selecting one picture from here. Let's say this one, and it will be by default in full screen. And now if you want to put a color overlay on this, I'm just going to this elements, and over here I'm searching for gradient, and over here we have number of options. I'm just picking one, for example this yellow, and I'm just going to make it as full screen over here like this, and then I'm going to adjust the transparency of it. So there where the color overlay actually works, now we can see that the same background which is having some color lay over here. And if you would like to change the color of it, either you can select for any other elements background images over here, or else you can go to effects, and over here it will be showing different options. You can simply click on see all. From that we can able to select any options as well. So this is another way in which we can able to change the effects of this. This is how we will be putting a background with a color overlay. Now I will show a customized design. Let's say for example, if we need to design a screen like this, so how we can able to do that? These layers and all with different colors at different corners. So I will show that, which is also we are going to do it on Canva. So I'm just randomly picking a background color over here. I'm just addressing the transparency. So now for putting our customization, I'm just going to elements, and over here I'm just going to this graphics option, and I'm just going to this gradient option. So over here we have a number of things that we can able to put it over here. I'm just picking this option, and I'm just increasing the size and putting it in the right side, and I'm just clicking on this one, and I'm just increasing the size and putting it in the left side. So this screen you can use it for as a one screen, or else if you want to style it more you can able to do that. So I'm just selecting one more from here, and then increasing the size of it and putting it in the right side. Same way if you want to put it on this corner you can able to do that. And same way if you want to do more styling, I will show one more thing. So I'm just removing these two options, and I'm just picking this one, and I'm increasing the size of it, and I'm just putting it over here like this. To change the color we can able to go over here. I'm just putting this one, and for this one also I'm just changing this pink color to some, let's say some blue gradient, or let's say white gradient, Okay, let's put yellow and check. Okay, so we can able to customize it like this, or else if you want to put some other options, you can able to select the elements from over here. And again, if you want to recolor it, you can come over here and you can change the color of it like this. So this is how we can able to customize our screen. Now I'll show you one more screen option. Now I will show you another design. For that I'm just searching for a circle one. Okay, so now I'm going to make it in a bigger size and I'm putting it over here. So this one you can directly use it for one screen. I'm just changing its color to, let's say, like this. So we can able to use this one as one screen, or else we can change this one to white and the bottom one to a darker color like this. And we can able to use this one as another design for login screen, register screen, or else we can use it for the home screen as well. So this is one design. And let's say for example, if we need to design a screen like this, that one also we can achieve it through graphics. I'll show you how to do that. So I'm just minimizing this picture. Okay, I'm just keeping this picture over here. So we need to get a curve like this, and behind that we have one more curve like this. So we will check for it which one we can achieve this. So we can able to achieve the bottom one using this option. So I'm just increasing the size, and if you want to change the angle, we can able to use it through this one. We can able to change the angle like this. I am increasing the size more and I'm making it a little bit taupe and putting it over here. And I'm just, okay, let's keep the same color. So the next layer we need is like over like this. So this one may be good for this top curve. So I'm just selecting this one and increasing the size of it. Let's increase the size a little more, and I'm setting the transparency over here just to make sure that the bottom the behind one also be properly visible here. So just to change the angle of it, I'm just changing it like this so that we can able to put it over here like this. And I'm increasing the size of it a little bit. So like this we can able to achieve the bottom part. If you want to make it a little bit to the left side, like this we can able to do. And for the top part I'm going to replicate the same thing. I'm just increasing the size of it, and I'm just changing the angle of it a little bit like this, and I'm just putting it over here. And I'm just going to select another one to put it above that. I'm just increasing the, and I'm putting it like this, and I'm setting the transparency of it like this. So this is how also we can able to design a screen like this. This is one design. Not only the graphics, if we come to elements, we have different options: photos, videos, audio, charts, frames, grids and all. And over here in lines and shapes, here we have different options for the screens. So let's say for example, I'm just getting this one, and over here I'm just increasing the size of it, and I'm just putting it over here. Also again I'm just getting the same option, and for I'm just changing the angle of it, and I'm putting it over here. So I'm just changing the color from here to some other color, and this one I'm just changing to orange. So using this on also we can able to design the screen. Let's say we can take up this one, we can able to take this one again over here, we can put it over here like this. Also we can able to design different screens over here. So these are some design tips for designing the screens on Canva and designing the logo on Free Logo Design.
I hope this video was helpful for everyone. I have mentioned about Canva and free logo design in description box. Please comment your suggestions and queries. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.